everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to import rules into Microsoft Outlook if you have the RWZ file. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the File tab up at the top left, and then go down and where it says Rules and Alerts, select the Manage Rules and Alerts button. Select versus options, and then underneath import and export, import or export your rules to and from previous versions of Outlook. You can select the import rules button and just go ahead and locate that RWZ file. And this is a similar procedure you would do to also export the rules by selecting export rules here instead. And if there were any rules, but there aren't in our particular instance of Microsoft Outlook. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.